Welcome to the Word PDF template tutorial. Today I'll go over the template feature to generate documents such as estimates, change orders, and warranties, and how to send them to the job contacts through Workglue. You can create as many templates as you want, and they can include your company logo and information that consistently needs to go out, such as policies and payment terms. We'll start by going to a job details page and review the items we'd like to pull onto an estimate template. You'll want to have information in the scope of work field and line items entered in the original estimate. Your original estimate does not need to be locked for this to work. If you are still in the draft phase of your estimate, you can still generate a template to send out and go back later to make modifications if an item changes. Head to Custom Data and click on Word PDF Templates. Review the list of tags you'll need to create the template. Files must be created in Microsoft Word and can later be generated as a PDF. Open a Word document and start filling in the tags for the information you'd like to include. You can set these up with a company logo if you'd like and attach your terms and conditions, for example. Once your document is set, name it accordingly and upload it to the templates section in Workglue. You can include a description and hit Send File. Workglue will then notify you that the file was successfully uploaded. Now head back to a job details page. This will work for a job at any status. Choose the template from the drop-down menu next to the Microsoft Word icon and click Get It. The original estimate items will appear here, and you can choose which ones you'd like to include and reorder them for the final version. Anything not listed here but still tagged on your template, such as the scope of work, will still automatically pull onto the document. You have the option to include project photos that have been uploaded to the job. These will attach at the end. Click the checkboxes and include a description if you'd like. Hit Continue. Now you can download the Word document or PDF. Review the Word document to make sure the tags are where they should be. If you need to change or update the tags, do so now and re-upload the template under Custom Data. Once you know your template is pulling correctly, you have the ability to save the document right here in the appropriate tab. Choose the tab, name the file, and hit Save. You also have the ability to send a PDF document to a job contact. Verify the sender information is correct and CC yourself if you want. You can choose from one of your pre-made email templates, check out that video on setting those up, and then send yourself a test for a final verification. Review your templates, make any changes, and edit them through Custom Data. Once satisfied, repeat the steps to get the template through the job details page and send the email out to the customer. Similar to estimates, you can send change orders out as well. Check out that video for more information. That concludes our training. Reach out to us through the support button with questions and suggestions, or email us at support@workglue.com. We'll see you next time.